Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll be reviewing the Maono Au-100, the video which came out around a few days back. And first of all, before that, I would like to say thank you for 50 subs on this channel. And if you're still not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Now let's get back to the video. So in this video I'll be doing an audio test and I've been using it for the past few days. Even though all my videos are being shot on the Maono A04, I've still used the Maono Au-100. And let's see the audio difference in both the mics, and we can compare and come to a conclusion that which mic is better. This is a sample voice recording from the Maono condenser microphone, which is the Au-A04. And now let's switch on to the other mic. This is a sample voice recording from the Maono Au-100. So after going through both the mic recordings a number of times, I can conclude that even at a higher volume, this microphone, the condenser microphone, is way better than the lavalier microphone, as this one picks up very less background noise and is very good for all broadcasting and other vocal activity too. Whereas the lavalier microphone can be used on the go, as it is a more go-to type instead of a condenser microphone, which is like a permanent setup. So I would still recommend the Maono A04 over the Au-100. But if you want a cheap go-to microphone, then you can always go with the lavalier 6-meter microphone. And that's been it in this video. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.